understand all the different interpretations of coincidences and synchronicity, we have to understand all the polarized intellectual and academical schools of thoughts and interpretations, and what are their fundamentals. You hear me? To understand coincidences and synchronicity, you have to understand all the mutually exclusive, all the disparate academic schools of interpretations of synchronicity, and aka also called coincidences, and what are their fundamental ideology that they are using to derive to these conclusions. So now that we've covered some of the basic schools of interpretation of coincidences and synchronicity and the basic philosophy that derive to these conclusions, let's explore the existentialistic, epistemological, the metaphysical, primarily the ontological, because ontology is a branch of metaphysics. You know, metaphysics studies the fundamental nature of reality. It takes a keen interest in mind and matter. There's a gap between mind and there's a gap between matter. And to really understand metaphysics interpretation of mind and matter, we have to get into what is matter